Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Angela here. Now today I'm taking you to the Sahara Desert. So this is our first stop here, and as you can see, the view here is amazing. So we will be spending 3 days and 2 nights. Alright, let's go. Now today we are at the Moroccan Grand Canyon. As you can see, the view here is gorgeous. So this is definitely a must visit place if you are here in Morocco and doing the Sahara Desert tour. Alright? So beautiful here!
Yeah, best tour ever.
I'm at Ait-Ben Haddou. I think I said it right. But basically one of the first films that was filmed here was Alibaba and the 40 Thieves. So I'm super excited. And then if you guys are a big Game of Thrones fan, Khaleesi fan, raise your hand. Me, yes. So one of the scenes it was filmed here as well. Today we will be riding camels. Super exciting. So here we have 9 camels here at the Sahara Desert, and it is a very unique experience, and I do recommend you doing it if you are here in Morocco. It is July right now, so this is probably the most insane time to do the Sahara Desert tour and riding camels for an hour, but hey, if you're here, you've gotta do this. All right, go Delia. See, yours is good. Woo! Dahlia.
My heart all the time like crazy, beats like crazy.
So actually, right now it is summer in Morocco, so this is probably the craziest time to do the camel ride and going to the Sahara Desert in July. But I think we got pretty lucky today. It's actually not that hot. It's not as hot as the first day, and it's also a little bit windy today, so it's quite perfect, this weather. Yeah, make sure you wear shorts because this is a 1-hour camel ride. And bring a hat, sunscreen, and a big bottle of water. We're here currently about to watch the sunset, and the sand feels amazing between my toes, along with all this round circular camel poop. Yeah, that's camel poop, not rocks in the Sahara Desert. So yeah.
Sorra i vam haver d'anar a dormir a dins de la Jaime per res, veu estar res. Mitja hora, 1 hora dormint allà dins i ja va ser l'endemà. And that's all.
To sum up, it means it was very good. To sum up, it means it was good.
Yes.
It was good.
Molt bona experiència.
Very good experience. Yeah. So I was nearly traded for a camel. Thank God. No, 40 camels.
For 40 camels.
For 40 camels. That's apparently how much I'm
He
worth.
had 40 camels, yeah.
Barter.
I don't sell you. I don't sell you for thousands camels. I don't want to have this camel. He was like, and he was like, but no, I have 40 camels. They're very good camels. They only drink
20 liters of water a day in summer.
Okay.
So make sure you stay tuned for my future travel vlogs. Make sure you hit the like button once and the dislike button twice. See you guys next week. Bye.